Hello and good day. Today, in this video, we are doing something exciting. Now, before I tell you what, well, you already know. We're putting the Ethernet in the wall. So, before, when I wanted to play Xbox in my office, which is here, I would have to go to the couch here, grab the Ethernet cable, string it across. So the room would have the Ethernet, and it's just kind of annoying. Now, funny story is in high school, when we got our first Xbox, my parents somehow allowed us to drag this huge green cable like 100 feet from the office to like across the house, far across the house. And we just kept it there for like multiple years. So it just reminded me of that. But anyways, that cable I think is Cat 5 or 6E or something like that. I'll have this stuff in the description, so buy it if you want to. I bought a couple of these faceplates. These are for low voltage faceplates, so it doesn't, like, you can't put an electrical socket in here. You need a box for that, but for Ethernet or like telephone cables or even some low LED wires, you can do it. But anyways, here's these, and here's the faceplate for the Ethernet, which comes with the little connection in here. Here are little cable clips that will go into the attic to hold the Ethernet on the joist. And here's some clips to put along the wall of my office. The goal is to have the cable come out of this wall, which is here, which is interior, even though my Xbox is over here, just because it's easier to get to. The Ethernet box is down here, and so I will cut a hole in there, and you'll see me do that shortly. So let's jump in. I guess let's jump into the attic. Gotta go get my ladder. See you in a second. Okay, I found the hole. Dug in here. Should be wearing a mask, but I'm not. Anyways, there it is down there. So I'm gonna try to shove the Ethernet down there somewhere. And then there's the where the internet goes through. Okay, first trip, success, kind of. By the way, this attic access, where the heck is it? Here, attic access hole, go check out the video after this one. If you need to know how to open one up, I have a video for that a lot of people love and give me hate on, because it doesn't look very good. I'm out of breath. Alright, I need to look at this stuff. In order to get the Ethernet into the correct spot, I needed to find where this electrical and this cable were coming down from the ceiling, which is where you saw me in the attic putting the Ethernet into a hole there where the other wires are coming through. Now, I first off put it into the wrong place, but then I found the correct spot 3 feet over. I found it! And I just did that by kind of measuring the wall down my living room and then going up to the attic and doing the same thing. So find that space, and then you'll be able to get the Ethernet down. Okay. It's got to use a little bit of force to get it in there, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to plug this in here so that I can't pull it through from the top. And then I'm going to go upstairs and get it done. Now we're doing my favorite part, where we're going back into the attic, taking the Ethernet, and then crawling through the attic space to get to the other side where my office is located. This spot up here is pretty narrow. I have to crawl, and it's really a pain in the butt. Literally a pain. Oh, shit. Okay, we're on the other side. I just got a cramp in my hamstring area. Not a breath. Crap. Now I gotta crawl back in to the deep end. So let's see how that goes. Now we are grabbing the Ethernet cable that I just laid out from the one side of the house to the other, and then I'm pulling it over the air conditioner duct. Now this cable is just going to sit on the ceiling joist, and then I'm going to tack it up to the joist, the rafters of the roof, so that it's out of the way from everything else. Now I'm finding the hole for the hole down into my office. That should be enough. And this is where an electrical outlet already is wired. So I'm just using the same hole, putting an Ethernet in, shoving it down there, and then I'm going to go down into my room to pull it out. But before that, I'm going to tack up this Ethernet cable on the rafters, and I'm using those little white things I showed at the beginning of the video to do that, just so the cable's out of the way, and if you need to get into the attic, it's not in your way. Hey, bud. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, buddy. Choo-choo. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did I heard Buffy. I'll be like, oh! That would get him definitely a spanking, right? Yeah, ball. And now we finished cutting the hole in the drywall to put these faceplates on. And the faceplates are pretty easy. You just put it in and then you tighten the 2 screws so that it holds on the sheetrock. And then we're going to stick the Ethernet cable through that and then put it connected to that white face plate, which then screws into the black plate. So we're 90% done. 90% done. And now we just gotta plug in some stuff. Say hi, Kirsty.
Hi.
You can barely see her. I'm just gonna plug this in here. Nuts. I thought it didn't fit for a second. And then we gotta plug in the office. Here's 2 cables. Dang. This is not long enough. I think when I planned this build, my Xbox was sitting in the middle of the room. Now it's sitting on the wall. So I think we're gonna have to move it to test this out. There we go. Turning on. It should be wired. 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 Fired. Christy, what do you think?
Can't wait to hear you playing Call of Duty more.
Alright, so we finished it. It's been about an hour, maybe 2 hours, probably 2. But that is about it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna close up this attic there. And then I'm going to clean up, I guess, or something. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And make sure you check out some of these other videos. Check out my master bathroom renovation. It's pretty cool. Master closet renovation, master bedroom renovation, all the master stuff. Anyways, make sure you hit that subscribe. And I will see you over in the next video. And I'll see you out there. Toodaloo. Say bye, buddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.